guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing you guys a video all about how you can get coupons for free. So if you want to learn how to utilize coupons without paying anything out of pocket, then go ahead and keep on watching this video. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below, ding that notification bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. So if you are new to couponing, one of the first questions you probably ask yourself is, how do I get coupons? And when I first started couponing, my first thing to do, I hopped onto a coupon clipping service. So this is a site where you can purchase coupons. So as time has gone on, I have realized that I can get coupons without paying anything out of pocket, because when you are purchasing your coupons, you really should be adding that to your grocery budget overall, because you are still purchasing something to purchase groceries, if that makes sense. So I have been couponing since 2013, and I definitely have learned along the way on how to get free coupons. So let's just go ahead and chat on how you can get free coupons. So what I want you to do is start checking your mailbox, because your mailbox is going to have the grocery store ads. And a lot of times there are certain inserts that are also tucked into those grocery store ads. So whenever you see this bundle in your mailbox, do not think that it is junk mail, because there is money in here, guys. There are coupons in here. So in my region in Southern California, we do not get the P&G insert, and we do not get the Retell Me Not in our Sunday newspaper. So even if I was subscribed to the newspaper and paying money to the newspaper, I get some of the awesome coupons that some of you guys get. So every single week, I always check my newspaper mailers, because oftentimes there are coupons like this inside of the grocery store mailers. So I get P&G inserts in that. I also get Retell Me Not inserts every single week. So the next place that you should be looking for coupons for free is from your dermatologist and your dentist and your pediatrician and your doctor's office, because there are salespeople that come along from the manufacturer brands, and they will give doctors bundles and bundles of coupons to go ahead and distribute to their patients, because they're wanting the doctor to, in a way, vouch their products. So definitely ask your doctor for free coupons if they're not already set out. Another person to ask would be the nurses. You can also go to your pharmacy and ask the pharmacist if they have any coupons as well. So there are always ways to get free coupons for like baby items, skincare items. I have been getting all detergent coupons for free for almost 9 months now, because that's where I first discovered the all detergent coupons, was at my child's pediatrician office. So keep your eyes peeled for those coupons in your doctor's office and nurse's office, etc. So another place where you can utilize free coupons is from your different store apps. Just to name a few, we have Target Cartwheel. We also have the CVS app, we have the Walgreens app, we have grocery store app. So locally to me, it's Ralph's and Albertsons, which is a Safeway affiliate. So all of these different store apps will have manufacturer coupons. You can go ahead and clip to your card, or you can also send it to your Target Cartwheel barcode, and it is so easy to use, you guys. So as you can see in my Target Cartwheel, we have $2 off coupons for Johnson & Johnson. There are $2 off for pull-ups. So these are manufacturer coupons, and how you know they are manufacturer coupons is it says MFR single use coupon. So it'll tell you if it's a manufacturer coupon. And then if it's a percentage coupon, then you can stack the percentage Cartwheel off with the manufacturer coupon. Okay, so another way that you can get free coupons is by printing coupons. So you can get free coupons from coupons.com. It is free to use coupons.com. You can hop onto redplum.com. You can hop on SmartSource, P&G Everyday. You can also go to Facebook groups of the brands that you like, and sometimes they will have printable coupons. Sometimes the brand's website, like Purina or I'm trying to think of another one. Go-Go Squeeze sometimes will have printable coupons for us. So when you turn the product over, whether if it's food or beauty, there's usually a customer service number or an email, and you can either call them or you can email them, and sometimes they will go ahead and send you guys out coupons. So definitely make a list of some of your favorite brands and email them on a regular basis, and they may just send you some coupons. So also what you can do is ask friends, families, neighbors, people at your work. You can put a little note at your school and just say, hey, I'm a couponer. If you get the Sunday newspaper, or if you get the mailers that come during the week, and if you're not going to use the coupons, consider giving them to me or leave them at my doorstep. And a way that you can thank them for all the coupons they give you all the time is by giving them some of the free products that you earn using the coupons. So definitely spread the word. Get the word out you're a couponer, and you'd be surprised how many people will actually give you their coupon inserts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful in terms of how you can get some coupons without having to pay out of pocket for them. So definitely share this video with someone who is new to couponing if you think that it may help them out. Don't forget to like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you are new, and I will talk to you guys all later. Ding that notification bell so you are always notified every single time I upload a video, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.